Bioengineers create animal protein without cows. Using existing technology called microbial fermentation, the team developed a protein that closely resembles that of cows. They didn't need any cheap swab or cow hair to rebuild the DNA sequence required, since the information was readily available online. The new protein products are identical to traditional milk in makeup and nutritional value. They spread and scoop like dairy too. However, they don't contain cholesterol, lactose, hormones, or antibiotics. The advantages of the protein go beyond the products. They also apply to production. The process requires less production space instead of fields. It also helps conserve resources for feeding the dairy cow and watering the fields. Finally, it has a significantly lower environmental impact since it is free from livestock-produced methane. What do you think of this cowless dairy protein alternative? Let us know your thoughts.